Hi guys, welcome to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the men's Fossil Gold watch. This is a diver's Fossil watch, and this is the metal casing that it comes in. The casing does look very smart, so let's open up that casing. And this is the watch. This is how it looks inside. Inside of the box we have spare links if you want to adjust the length of your band. Inside the box, underneath the cardboard inlet, there is your instruction manual, and this is the spare links that it comes with. This is the watch, guys. It looks very unique. It has a butterfly clasp with a single button to release it. The watch has a matte finish to it, guys. It's not that shiny gold color. It has a matte finish to it. It has a round, rigid face. The dial is black with white needles and white time numbers. This watch is a glow in the dark as well as waterproof. As I said, it is a diver's watch. The watch has a good weight to it, guys. The band feels very smooth with a matte finish. It certainly feels like it is of excellent quality. The clasp is made very strong. A single button to release or engage the clasp. Definitely an elegant timepiece, guys. And you can see a close-up of it there. It does look very smart. We're going to try it on. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as you can see, guys, definitely a comfortable fit. It looks very elegant on the wrist. I think that the black face with the white needles and the black background definitely stands out. Definitely an elegant watch. Excellent timepiece to own with good weight to it. I would definitely recommend this watch.